The 2026 Kia in Pluton Blue is a showstopper in every sense. With its striking exterior and refined upgrades, this compact SUV is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. Pluton Blue, a vibrant and bold shade, adds an electrifying charm that sets the apart from the crowd. It's the kind of color that turns heads in city traffic and shines even brighter under natural light. The sleek lines and aggressive front grille are accentuated beautifully by the blue hue, giving the SUV a modern and youthful vibe. Kia has taken a smart approach with the 2026 model, refining the design while keeping the features that made the a favorite among compact SUV buyers. The LED headlamps are sharper and more dynamic, while the tail lights follow a connected design that adds a futuristic touch. The overall silhouette remains athletic, with just the right amount of ruggedness to suit both urban and lifestyles. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you with premium materials and advanced technology. The dual panoramic displays steal the spotlight, seamlessly blending the digital instrument cluster with an infotainment screen. Everything is designed to enhance the driver experience, from the ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, to the ergonomic seating that ensures comfort on long drives. The Pluton Blue exterior is perfectly complemented by interior trim accents that echo the bold character. And on the hood, the 2026 continues to offer reliable performance with improved efficiency. Whether you go for the peppy turbocharged engine or the refined naturally aspirated option, you're in for a smooth and responsive ride. The transmission shifts effortlessly, and the option ensures you're ready for any road condition. It's a balanced mix of power, control, and fuel economy, ideal for both city commuters and weekend adventurers. Safety is another highlight, with Kia's latest suite of features on board. From lane keeping assist to adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance systems, the 2026 is designed to protect. Add to that the 360-degree camera system and parking sensors, and you've got an SUV that truly looks out for you. What truly makes the 2026 Kia in Pluton Blue stand out is the emotional connection it creates. It's not just about specs or features, it's about the confidence and excitement you feel every time you get behind the wheel. It's the kind of car that fits into your lifestyle effortlessly while making a bold impression. If you're looking for a compact SUV that blends style, tech, and performance, the 2026 in Pluton Blue might just be your perfect match.